Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another PC tutorial video here, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix any touchpad problems on your Windows operating PC. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Windows Start option and right click here, and now go to your device manager, click the option, and after that find the option mice and other pointing device. Here is the option and expand it. Here, you can see the option ID compliant mouse. Just right click that option and select update driver here, and just select search automatically for drivers, and it will search the updated version of your drivers. If the base version is already installed in your device, then you need to close this one, and again do the same on this one. Also update driver here and search for automatically for drivers, and as you can see my base drivers for the device is already installed, and close it. If this solves your problem, then close it. Otherwise, go to this option, human interface device, just find it, and here you can see HID complaint touch screen. Just do the same, update the driver and just search for automatic drivers and do it the same way. But if this doesn't work, then update driver, right click and update driver, and select browse by computer for devices, and now select this one, let me pick from the list of the available drivers of my computer, and here just click this one and select next. If this doesn't help, now right click it again and uninstall it. Don't worry, you don't delete it from your PC. Just uninstall this device, uninstall it, and just uninstall. And now go to your action option and select scan for hardware changes. It will scan, and you can see my HID complement touch screen touchpad is already installed. So in this way you can fix your touchpad problem. So I hope this will help you solving the problem. If this helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.